Alright guys, the Supra is finally going off to the body shop. Let me just open this up for you. Give me 1 second. Alright, let me... I'm sorry, what was that?
You have to reach in about the steer to drive it up.
Oh yeah, so this doesn't... Turn it?
Wants the ball this way, yeah?
Okay.
There you go. That's cool.
Oh, 1 sec. One sec.
There you go. Now straight. Okay. There you go.
1 sec, that's other side.
No parking brake, right?
Yeah, no parking brake. Yeah, there we go. Alright, straight. Well guys, that's how you load this Supra. It doesn't have a steering rack, or any car I guess. You gotta move the wheels around with your own hands. Just like that, guys, she's headed off to the body shop. Can't wait to see her all fixed up and painted up because it's going to be really drastic comparison of where she's at today. Right now, she's in some pretty bad condition in terms of paint and bodywork. Got some dents, needs some paint repair, panels. I gotta get this rear bumper on properly, get the front bumper on properly, and all the rest of the panels from Seibon that we have that I need to get thrown onto this car. What's up everybody? Today we're dropping off all the parts for the Supra. It's right here behind me, under this tarp. You just gotta believe me, I don't feel like taking the tarp off, but let me show you guys the parts that I've brought to the body shop. Huge shout out to my sponsor Seibon. They were really kind to help me with this build, and they sponsored me on a lot of these parts. So these are the parts that we're looking at right here. Got my carbon fiber trunk, got my carbon fiber hood right there. Well, let me just actually flip the camera around so you guys can see it a little better. Alright guys, so we got the carbon fiber hood from Seibon. This is the TRD style one. We got the carbon fiber doors from Seibon. We got the carbon fiber trunk from Seibon. We got the carbon fiber fenders from Seibon. We got the carbon fiber doors from Seibon and the carbon fiber lip from Seibon as well over there. These parts are really nice. I really love the quality of them. can't wait for them to be on the car, because the current parts, as you guys have seen, are not that great in terms of condition. So we're just swapping them over with all these nice Seibon parts with these nice wider fenders. They're 10 millimeters wider than the stock ones. We have this really cool vent that's functional, and then we have the lip right here as well, and that is the TS style front lip. Again, really looking forward to getting these on the car, and really looking forward to seeing how the car turns out with all that work done to it. Basically, this one's not a Seibon part. This is just another part that I got. Same thing with that. That's the carbon fiber target top, still in side skirts right over here. Got the OEM gas cap or fuel lid, whatever you want to call it, right there, because my car didn't come with one. We got Ryan's Raptor right over here that helped to bring everything in one go. Say what up, Ryan. You good?
Yeah, bro.
What's up?
Without his help, I wouldn't have been able to bring these in one shot. So huge shout out to Ryan. Go follow his Instagram. I'll leave it right below right here somewhere. And yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. And I'll keep you guys updated with the progress of how everything's coming along. And take care, guys.